Meet Dr. Hadiza, Nigerian doctor saving African mothers' lives, one innovation at a time. In a world where childbirth should be a moment of joy, the reality is often grim. But today, I want to introduce you to an incredible woman who's changing that narrative. Dr. Hadiza Galadanci, a brilliant mind and a compassionate heart. She's not just an obstetrician. She's a lifesaver. In Africa, where maternal mortality rates are high, Dr. Hadiza set out on a mission to save women from the jaws of postpartum hemorrhage. Dr. Hadiza led groundbreaking research involving over 200,000 women in 4 countries. Their solution: A. Motive. A. Motive combines a simple, low-cost collection device called a drape with bundled WHO. Recommended treatments. It's not just a solution, it's a lifeline. The results were astonishing. Severe bleeding after childbirth was reduced by a staggering 60s. Women were less likely to lose their lives. This innovation isn't just saving lives, it's saving futures. And it's happening right here in Africa, thanks to Dr. Hadiza Galadanci. With Dr. Hadiza Galadanci, every life matters. Every mother deserves a chance to hold her child. With E-Motive, we're making that a reality. But this isn't just about Africa. It's a global breakthrough. The E-Motive project, supported by a grant from the Bill & Melinda Gates Foundation, is shining a light of hope on maternal health worldwide. This is a solution from Africans, saving the lives of Africans and countless others around the world. Dr. Hadiza Galadanci has shown us that one person's determination can change the course of history. Share this story. Share this story, support E-Motive, and let's work together to ensure that every mother's journey into motherhood is safe and filled with hope. Dr. Hadiza, thank you for your unwavering dedication to saving lives. Your legacy will echo through generations, reminding us that innovation and compassion can conquer the toughest challenges.